What's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high of 80 and a low of 63, and it's partly sunny. Here's a weather fact. Did you know the width of a tornado can range between less than 10 yards to more than a mile? See you guys tomorrow, and happy National Talk Like a Parrot Day. Arr!
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Wednesday, September 19th, 2018. Here are your morning announcements.
Ms. Vanderheyden will be coming to 7th and 8th graders during lunch to discuss the upcoming Student Council officer elections next week. In the meantime, 7th and 8th grade students, if you are interested in running for an officer position, please prepare a 2-minute speech video and send it to Ms. Vanderheyden by this Friday. They will be aired during the Howl next week. Please see Ms. Sheldon if you need help sending or recording the video.
Mullica morning students, there will be an after-school meeting tomorrow in Mr. Smith's room. Please come at 3:35 when the late bus bell rings, and it will end at 4:30. Please check the Google Classroom page for important announcements.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Coyotes. Have a great day.
Bye.